In this video, we are going to understand that how to find out nth term of given AP, and also we will understand about the meaning and how to find out the last term of the AP. Also, we are going to solve some examples given before the exercise 5.2 of class 10th, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, 9 to 12th. So let's start our today's topic, which is how to find out the nth term of an AP of class 10 chapter number 5. So this nth term, let's first understand what does it mean nth term and how to denote it, and then we will use it in the examples. Okay, so nth term is what? Nth term, another name for the nth term is general term. Why general term? Because this n can be any term of the AP. So as I have told you in the previous video that A1 is my first term, A2 is my second term, and A3 is my third term. So this n can be any value of the AP. Means it can be the third term, it can be the fourth term, it can be the fifth, the 15th, or any term of the AP. So that's why it is called as general term. Means in general it can be any value. Okay, so now A1 is represented by A1, A2 is represented what? I have told you A2 is represented by A plus D. Then to find out the next term in the AP, what we do? We write down A plus 2D. So if I have to write down it like this, A is my A plus D. Instead of D, I can write down 2 into minus 1 into D. And here A plus 2D will be what? A plus 2D is my A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So similarly, according to this only, I can say that nth term means an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Whatever is the number written here, we are doing one subtraction from this number. So similarly, to find out any nth term, we can write down a plus n minus 1 into d, where we know that a is my first number, and n is my any general number, and d is what? D is my common difference. Okay, so what is the use of this and how to apply it in the example? Now let's understand that thing. Suppose you have started a job and your salary for the first month is rupees 8,000, and in the next month, second month, it has been increased by rupees 200. So your salary will be what? Your salary will be 8,200. And in the third month, again it has been increased by rupees 200. So your salary will become 8,400. Then in the fourth month, again it has been increased by 200. Then your salary will be 8,600. So if you have to find out your salary in the 15th month, then it will become very difficult for you to find out in this way and to add 215 times, right? So for that we use this formula that I have to find out the salary in the 15th month. So my general term will be what? General term, my n will be equal to 15 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is what? 15 minus 1 into d is my common difference. This is 200. So 8,000 is my a plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 200, which is 2,800. So 8,000 plus 2,800 will become 10,800. So the main concept is that to find out any number of the AP, any term of the AP, we use this general formula, which is an, and it is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then moving to the next topic. Next topic is what? Next topic is my last term, and the last term is denoted by am, or we say that it is equal to al. I have told you that there are two APs, finite or infinite. Finite APs are what? In which you know the last term of the AP, and infinite are what? That you do not know the last term of the AP. So if we know that my AP will end at some place, so suppose in this example only, you have started doing job in the first month and you have left your job in the 15th month, so you know that your last term is what? Last term of your AP will be A15. So this 15 will be called as my last term, and it will be denoted by generally AM or L. The difference between AN and AL. N is what? Nth term means any term of the AP. It can be first term, second term, 15th term, 16th term, 28th term. It can be any term of the AP. But AL is what? AL is my last term of the AP. So this is specifically last term, but nth term is any term of the AP. Okay, so let's start solving the examples related to this. So what you have to find out the 10th term of the AP of this. This is my AP 2, 7 and 12. For that, to find out any general term, you want two things. First term is your first term, and then you have to find out the common difference, which is 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So now, by using the formula of AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, you can find out any term. N is what? N is my 10. A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So put the values, you will get your answer. 10 minus 1 is 9 into D is what? D is my 5. So you will get 2 plus 45. So my answer will be 47. Moving to next example, example number 4, which says that which term of AP, this is minus 81. This is the terms given to you 21, 18, 15 and up to minus 81. You have to tell them that which term is this. So this time you have to find out the value of N. How to find out? First you need what is your first term and what is your common difference. How to find out the common difference? Common difference is second term minus first term. So you will get your answer as minus 3. Always you have to do subtraction of the second term minus first term. Whether your common difference is positive or negative, it does not matter, but you have to do subtraction from the second term to the first term. Okay, so now to find out the value of N, you know that nth term is given by A plus N minus 1 into D. So this time this value AN is given to you, which is equal to minus 81, and A is my 21 plus N we have to find out, and D we know D is my minus 3. So what you will do? Minus 21, this is minus 21 will come to this side and it will become negative. And to solve this bracket, what we will get? Minus 3n, and minus 3 plus minus 1, it will become plus 3. So my answer will become minus 102 is equal to minus 3n plus 3. So this 3 will come to this side and it will also become negative. So my answer will be minus 105 is equal to minus 3n. So 3 and this minus and minus will get cancelled out. So my answer will be 105 is divided by 3 is equal to n. So my n will become 3 3 is the 9 and 3 5 is the 30, 3 5 is the 50. So my n will become equal to 35. Okay. Also, is any term 0? So the same question again, they are asking that is there any nth value which is equal to 0. So how you will find out this value? Again, we use the same formula. A plus N minus 1 is equal to D. A is what? A is my 21 and N I have to find out, and D is my common difference, which is minus 3. So what I will get? I will get 0 minus 21 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 21, this is minus 3 is multiplied here, so it will get divided. So my answer will be 3 7s the 21. So 7 is equal to N minus 1. This is minus 1 and this will go to here and it will become plus 1. So N will become equal to 8. Okay. Now moving to example number 5, which says that determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So these are the kind of the questions which you will get in your exercise, different types of the question. The first type of the question was that we have to find out the nth term. Then nth term was given to us and we have to find out the value of the n. Now third type of question is what? We have to find out the AP. Okay, process will remain same in each and every question. So it is given to you that the third term is 5. So to write down the formula for the third term in terms of the general term, I can say that it is equal to a plus 2d. a7 is equal to 9. How I can write down in the general form? a7 is equal to a plus 6d. So if you are going to solve this equation, then a and a will get cancelled out. So it will become minus 4 is equal to minus 4d. Minus and minus will get cancelled out. So d will become equal to 1. So if my d is equal to 1, so if I will put the value in any equation, so I can find out the value of a. So a plus 2 into d is what? D is 1. So a plus 2 is equal to 5. So my a will be equal to 3. So that means my first term of the AP will be 3. Next term will be what? Next term will be 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Next term will be 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, and so on. Okay, next, check example number 6. Example number 6 is that check whether 301 is a term of the list of the numbers or not. Again the same question. You have to tell them that an is equal to 301 is possible or not. Okay, so now you know that the first term is 5 and the common difference is what? You know how to find out the common difference. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. To check that an is a term or not, what we do? We use the formula of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 301, a is my 5 plus n minus 1. I have to know that. Then this is d is what? D is my 6. So 301 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So I will get what? I will get 296 is equal to n minus 1 by 6. This 6 is multiplied here and it will go to bottom and denominator and it will become 296 by 6. So all this will get cancelled out. It will become 148 by 3. So now it will not get cancelled out. This is minus 1 and this will become plus 1 here. So after solving this value, you will get your answer as 151 by 3. So which is not possible, because you know that every time I am saying that this is first term, this is my second term, this is my 15th term. So nth value of n can be positive integer only. This reciprocal value is not possible. So that means 301 cannot be the term of this list. Next, example number 7, which says that how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. So now you have to find out the AP by yourself and you have to tell them the how many numbers are divisible by 3. So 2-digit numbers are what? 2-digit numbers are the very first number, 2-digit number which is divisible by 3 is what? This is 12. Then the next number is 15 and the last 2-digit number which is divisible by 3 is what? This is 99, because if I will start my counting, then I will get the very first 2-digit number as 10 and the last is 99 and then I will get the 100 and so on. So I have to tell them in between 10 and 99 how many numbers are divisible by 3. So very first number which is divisible by 3 is 12, then 15 and the last number is 99 and I have to find out the value of n. So how I can find out? Again the same question. A is my 12 and D is what? D is my 15 minus 12 which is equal to 3. Now you know the nth value. Nth value is what? Nth value, or I can say the last value of this AP. So nth value is 99. A is my 12 and I have to find out into D is my 3. So I will get what? I will get 99 minus 12 is equal to n minus 1 into D. So I will get my answer as 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So I will get 87 is divided by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So I will get my answer as 29 is equal to n minus 1. So this minus 1 is this minus 1 will get added to the right hand side. It will become 29 plus 1 is equal to n. So my n will become equal to 30. Okay, so the total number of terms which are being divisible by 3, total number of 2-digit numbers which are being divisible by 3 are equal to 30. Okay, next question, find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. Means till now we were talking about from the starting, now they are asking from the last term of the AP. So how to find out from the last term? So let's first find out that how many terms are there, then we will find out the 11th term from the last. How to find out the nth term? How many terms are there? By using this formula only. An is minus 62, a is my 10, and the common difference is what? Common difference is again 7 minus 10, which is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 10, n minus 1 into d is my minus 3. So you can see that minus 62 and minus 10 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So I will get my answer as minus 72 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So this minus 3 is multiplied here and it will go to this side and it will get divided. So it will be n minus 1. So my answer will be what? If I am going to divide this value, 3 2s the 6, carry 1, 3 4s the 12. So n minus 1 will become 24 plus 1 will become n. So n is equal to 25. So total number of terms in this AP is equal to 25, but we have to find out the term from the last, 11th term from the last. So which will be my 11th term from the last? So see very carefully. Suppose there are 5 terms in the AP. Okay, and if I say you that find out the 4th term from the last, then which term it will be from the beginning? 4th term from the last, first, second, third and fourth. So this will be my 4th term from the last. Okay, 4th from the last and second from the beginning. Okay, so because we know the formula to find out the terms from the beginning of the AP, we do not know the formula to find out the terms from the last of the AP. So we have to find out this 11th term from the starting, that which term is this from the starting of the AP. So how we have find out this term? If I use a simple formula which will become total number of terms are 5, then minus which term I have to find out? I have to find out the 4th term. Then I am doing what? I am doing plus 1. Then only then I can get my second term from the starting. This is my second term from the starting or from the beginning, or the 4th term from the last. Means what I have to do? I have to do 25 is my total number of terms minus this 4th. 4th was what? 4th from the last. So similarly this time what is given to us? 11th term from the last plus 1 I have to find. So this will be what? This will be my 25 minus 10. This will be my 15th term from the beginning. So our question is now simple, that simply we have to find out the 15th term of this AP, which will be given by the formula A15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1 into D. So A we know, A is my 10 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into D is what? D is my minus 3. So my answer will be 10 minus 14, 3 is the 42. So my answer will be equal to minus 32. Okay. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to solve questions of exercise 5.2. Till then, take care and bye.